Hi, my name is Nick Barker. I'm the Further and Higher Education Specialist for Clevertouch. I support colleges and universities on their deployment of Clevertouch in their estates, and also support academics on user training ongoing as well. So I'm going to quickly take you through some of the main features of the display. This one behind me is a UX Pro. So this started as a corporate display, but actually works very well in a university environment because of its ease of use and functionality that is suitable to a meeting room, a teaching space, or a huddle space within a university setting. So as you can see here, this is in the Android, what we call the tablet mode of the screen. So it's very easy to quickly navigate to where you need to be. So you're in Android mode, as things stand, we call that the tablet mode. You've got PC mode as well, so I'll click on the PC. That will take me straight into a Windows PC. We've got Windows OPS PC that's in the back of this screen. You can also connect this to an external lectern PC as well. And then you've got a familiar Windows PC based experience from that point as well. So on the connectivity side of things, when you're going to present, this is where you'll drive most of your kind of activity. So we've got a really good kind of whiteboard space. So again, click onto that. Multi-touch space from here. And you can quickly collaborate, get some ideas on this screen, and then share that content out to students as well, which is a great feature as well. So as you've done all your notes, you've imported content onto this space. We have a QR code reader down the bottom left-hand side. And what that will do, you scan your mobile device on the same network as the screen, and that will deliver all of those whiteboard pages directly out to the students, which students love because as they're walking out of the room, they can quickly scan that and they've got all the meeting notes there, and they can download that to their camera roll and then recall that later for the next lesson as well. We've got a suite of tools down the bottom on the toolbar here as well. So we've got text recognition as well. That will recognise even my poor handwriting, and you can change that as you want and commit that to the board from there. So that makes kind of annotations a little bit more professional rather than scribbles everywhere as well from that point. You can change the background, so that can suit different lessons, different group work, different areas from here. So you can change the colour to whichever colour that you may want to at that point. And then you've got various kind of things to segment the board up as well in terms of shapes, things like that as well, which we just draw on the board like so. You've also got down the bottom right, you've got a page structure, similar to like a PowerPoint. So you've got all your pages that would be viewable there, and as I said earlier, you can switch them out to external devices as well, should you need to. In terms of getting stuff onto the board, we've got a number of ways of doing that. We have storage built into the board itself. You can also access your cloud drives. So I'm going to click on here to show you that as well. So Google Drive or OneDrive, you can recall your content from those drives as well, directly to the board as well. And also you can connect an external USB stick or external storage to access your content from there as well. So that was our whiteboard functionality. Go back into Present, you've got some more access for things here. Clevertouch Live here, that's our digital signage platform. So by creating a free account on Clevertouch Live on the web portal, you can generate your own template and send them directly to the screens. The screens have their own inbuilt media player to go and pull that content down from your cloud account. And it's a great resource for open days, for showing messages on the screen when they're not being used, particularly on a glass-fronted kind of teaching area or something. It's great for students to be able to look at content while it's running from that point as well. Also, these numbers in the top of the screen there, that's our Clevershare feature. So that is how you can mirror devices up to the screen and also deliver what's on the screen back to devices as well. So that can run natively on Apple devices and Chromecast devices as well, or you can download the app to download on a Windows or Mac or an Android device at that point as well. You'll also notice we've got the Zoom icon in the bottom right-hand corner as well. So the screens are powerful enough to run the native Zoom and Microsoft Teams apps for video conferencing. So you can join the screen as a participant to a meeting. We would always say hosting that meeting, host it on a PC or external device for the best experience. And then you can just join the Android part of the screen to the meeting there. So that's great for showing the whiteboard, for example, at that point. So that's a bit of a whistle-stop tour of the screen there. My name's Nick Barker, as I said, Further and Higher Education Specialist for Clevertouch. We have a dedicated website for you to look at as well with my contact details on. So please reach out and contact me if I can help with any opportunities moving forward. Thank you very much.